We'll guide you through how to make a table in Google Docs. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Open up your Google Docs document where you want to insert a table and go to the top menu and click on Insert. Here you will see tables. Just hover over tables and you will see building blocks. Now you can just go ahead and hover over them without clicking and set the size. So the maximum size is 20 by 20, just like so. So let's say I want to build a small table. So I'll just go ahead and select the number of tables just like so and just click on it and you will see a table will be successfully added. Now you can just go ahead and start typing your information inside this table, but we are going to skip that part for now. So now let's talk about configuring this table. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Format tab and you will see Tables. So if you don't get the table option, just go ahead and click inside the table just like so and go to Format and you will see Tables. Now just go ahead and scroll down until you find Table Options and just click on the table option and the table option will be visible. Now you will see different options. You can just go ahead and choose any table option just like so. So let's say I want to go with this particular style. I'll just go ahead and choose it. Click on the drop down for table and you will see different options for wrap. I'm just going to skip that part for now. And let's say I want to change the color of the table. I'll just go to the color tab and you will see the table borders. Click on the color and select any color that you want to add. Let's say I want to add a bit reddish. You will see that now our table is red. Just click on the drop down and select the thickness. Just select it just like so and the thickness of the table will be increased. You can also make it a bit more thicker just like so. You can also choose the cell color. Just click on the drop down and select any cell color. Let's say I want to go with bluish color. You will see we have successfully added our bluish color. Now you can just click on the drop down for cell and you will see cell vertical alignment. Just click on the drop down and you can set the cell alignment. Let's say I want to go with middle. I'll just go ahead and go to middle and once you're done making changes, your table will now look clean and properly formatted and you can just start typing your text inside it. And if you see that your table is cluttered just like so, you can just hover over the borders and increase the border to your liking just like so. And that's it. That's how you make and format a table in Google Docs in just a simple steps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.